Hi, Travis Wuertz of Wuertz Machine Works again. Like I said, we're going to follow up that video with doing the flat grind on a knife blade. Same blade, just do with the contact wheel. Nothing gets done around here without lots of coffee. Put this down, swap out the tool rest, put it on my table that has way too much stuff piled on. Take off the belt. You guys probably don't need a narrative. Like I said, this is more of a video, well, not more of, is a video to show the grinder, not my grinding technique or the knife blade. Track straight. Rarely have to change it, but I always check my tracking before I go much further. This quick change tool rest, I'm going to swap out to a simple flat Platten grinding tool rest. Oh wait. A little looser. Blade. Went a little far with my hollow grind. That's all right. I can fix it later. Trade me sides, Phil. Notice tracking goes, stays, very stable. You want to see that again, Phil? The tracking mechanism is actually the pivoting motor and drive wheel. Helps make it very stable. Now I'm going to do something that most of you knife makers would hate to have happen. Uh-oh. So, just to show off the tracking, I pretty much intentionally ruined a knife blade. I did that to show the belt tracking, and something that every knife maker that does flat grinds, well, or hollow grinds has to do, is touch up the ricasso line. I don't even know how old this belt is, but it's a structured belt and it's a flexible belt. And I use it for the corners. I'm going to straighten that guy up. Now, that's hot. Now you can see where I got to bring that grind line over to. So I can track this over pretty much as I want. Come in here and get on the tracking, Phil. Now, other than not wanting to heat up that blade or run my grind line back, you can see how stable the tracking was to true up the corners of a ricasso line. Like I said, don't judge me, I'm doing this to show off the grinder. Well, can you see alright, Phil? I run that belt over a little bit more. And I guess I could slow the grinder down to do this with a variable speed, but I'm not worried about this knife blade. I don't even know if I got it even. How even is it? Well, that's alright. Looks like it needs to come over this side a little bit. Now, I don't know how long this video is getting, but since I ground too far back, nice thing about having the quick change tool rest, if I want to true up my ricasso, of course this belt is fine. I can bring this back. I'm really showing some horrible technique trying not to stretch the video long. The main reason I did that, just so I can show how nice and quick it is. A little close. You go to tool rest, non-tool rest. So basically what you saw is me profile, grind a knife, no matter how sorry the grinds are. The whole point is how well the TW-90 grinds, how stable the tracking is, and how quick all the tool rests are to change. There'll be more demos on the different tool rests, and this is the tool rest system that's going to come with it. Basically a 3-block system, a 90 block, the receiver block, your table block. And for the horizontal to 90 feature, sorry, last thing. And you could put quick knobs on all these. I just don't have enough to go around right now. And your horizontal table. And you don't have to mess with the tracking hardly. Well, really at all. Alright, Phil, this video's done.